In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Instagram feed on a WordPress website. Instagram is a fantastic platform for sharing visual content and engaging with your audience. By embedding your Instagram feed on your WordPress site, you'll not only showcase your social media activity directly on your web page, but you'll also attract more visitors to your Instagram profile. It's a win-win situation for both your website and your social media presence. Let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to look for and navigate to the Plugins section. Within this section, select Add New. This is where you'll find and add additional functionalities to your website, like the Instagram feed integration we're aiming to accomplish today. In the search bar, type in Instagram feed. This specific search will bring up several plugins designed to help you embed your Instagram feed. One of the most popular and highly recommended plugins you'll come across is Smashballoon Social Photo Feed. This plugin is known for its user-friendly features, customizable settings, and ease of use. Go ahead and click Install Now next to the Smashballoon plugin. A quick wait, and you'll see a blue button that says Activate. Clicking this button is crucial because it turns the plugin on, making it ready for configuration. After activation, there will be a new menu item labeled Instagram Feed on your dashboard. Click on it, and you'll find yourself at the settings page of this plugin. This is your control center for tailoring the look and feel of the feed. Next, the focus will be on connecting your Instagram account to the plugin. To do this, select Connect an Instagram account and then choose whether you want to link a personal or a business Instagram account. Follow through with the on-screen instructions to authenticate and connect the Instagram account. The connection process is secure, and once completed, your account will be linked to your WordPress site. Now that you're connected, you'll want to customize how your feed appears on your website. Look through the customization options available in the plugin settings. You'll have access to various layout options, such as grid or carousel formats, and you can adjust the number of displayed photos. Pay attention to additional features like color schemes, spacing, and header styling to ensure the feed matches your website's aesthetic. Finally, it's time to embed the feed on your desired web page. Copy the provided shortcode from the plugin and navigate to the page or post where you want the feed to appear. In the WordPress editor, simply paste the shortcode into your content. If you're using Gutenberg, add a shortcode block into your page and paste it there. Save your changes, and voila, your Instagram feed is now live on your website. To wrap up, keep in mind that maintaining security is important. Regularly check for plugin updates and turn on automatic updates if available. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showing off your vibrant Instagram content directly on your WordPress site.